Tileway is a plot point buffer that's going to allow us to double buffer Conway's Game of Life, because we can't do Conway's if we don't have a double buffer. In the system index, Tileway is right here between Tileboy and Tilefed. It is chronologically the 38th system. In dependency order, it is 12. In the legal stuff macros, here are some invalid identifiers. In the Tileway constants section, we have created a little key here for the things we care about. And then here are some constants. So this is indexes converted to, instructions. Instructions converted to bits, components, or instructions. And then this is pixels converted to bits or components. And then we have the capacity of our instruction array in either components or in instructions. So this is the capacity in components or instructions. And you can see 256 times 256 times 2. There's a reason for this. You can grab onto this and see the reason for why. And we multiply the number of instructions by instructions to components or instructions to instructions. There's a whole bunch of error checking to make sure that we got the values that we wanted. You'll have to pause here to look at that. I don't have time to explain it in the fast playlist. Data by system. So in the data by system section, here is our Tileway data, our variable data. Here's a variable key explaining kind of what our variables do. And here's the two variables we care about: the length of our component array or the length of our instruction array. Both of those arrays are the same thing, but we can think of it as an array of instructions or an array of components depending on how we want to abstract the data. These are also monkey wrench macros. We don't care about them. We'll put more data here, we'll write functions here in another video. We just don't have time here. And then somebody I'm stalking on YouTube. And then what we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. You can pause here to read that. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here, but we do not have time here. I'm working on a fractal geometry bomb game that uses vertical, horizontal, and four-way proximity mines on timers. When the timer is tripped when you walk past it. When the timer expires, it explodes and causes chain reactions that destroy the level. Like and subscribe if you're interested.